Hello and welcome. Airports, usually a source of stress, bad sandwiches, and frantic searches for a plug socket. But what if some airports were destinations in their own right? Places you'd actually want a long layover? Today we're jetting off to discover the world's most art-filled airports, where terminals double as galleries and cultural hubs. Forget the duty-free dash. We're talking jaw-dropping sculptures, museum annexes, and installations that transform your travel experience. By the end, you might just book flights for the art, not the destination. Let's get this show on the runway. Our journey begins at Singapore Changi Airport, a place so extraordinary, it's become a destination in its own right. Forget everything you know about airports being just a stopover. Changi is where adventure starts the moment you land. Travelers from all over the world flock here, not just to catch flights, but to experience the wonder and excitement that fills every corner of this airport. Whether you're arriving, departing, or simply passing through, Changi promises to surprise you at every turn. The crown jewel of Changi is the HSBC Rain Vortex, a breathtaking spectacle that holds the title of the world's tallest indoor waterfall. Imagine standing beneath a 40-meter cascade of water, surrounded by a lush 4-story indoor forest that feels like a tropical paradise. The sound of rushing water echoes through the jewel, creating a tranquil oasis in the heart of the airport. Day or night, the rain vortex is mesmerizing. By day, sunlight streams through the glass dome, illuminating the mist. By night, dazzling light shows transform the waterfall into a living piece of art. But the magic doesn't stop there. Art is woven into the very fabric of Changi. Take the kinetic rain sculpture, for example. Over 1,000 bronze droplets suspended from the ceiling, moving in perfect harmony to create ever-changing, mesmerizing shapes. It's a hypnotic dance of art and engineering, captivating travelers as they pause to watch the droplets morph into airplanes, birds, and abstract forms. This isn't just decoration. It's a performance that brings a sense of wonder to the everyday airport experience. Changi's commitment to creativity continues with interactive digital art installations. Imagine walking past a wall and seeing digital butterflies flutter down to land on your hand, or watching vibrant flowers bloom in response to your movement. These playful high-tech displays invite you to become part of the art, turning a simple stroll through the terminal into a magical, immersive experience. It's a reminder that art can be both beautiful and interactive, sparking joy and curiosity in travelers of all ages. And there's always something new to discover. Rotating exhibitions and hidden art pieces are tucked away throughout the terminals, transforming the airport into a living, breathing gallery. One visit might reveal a contemporary sculpture, while the next uncovers a whimsical mural or a pop-up installation. Changi's ever-changing art scene ensures that no two visits are ever the same, rewarding curious explorers who take the time to look a little closer. Among the airport's most poetic installations is A Million Times at Changi, a mesmerizing wall of 504 clocks, their hands moving in perfect synchronization to create swirling patterns and spell out the time. It's a visual symphony that captures the essence of travel, the passage of time, the anticipation of journeys, and the beauty of movement. Standing before this artwork, you can't help but reflect on the stories unfolding all around you, as travelers from every corner of the globe cross paths in this unique space. Changi also pays tribute to Singapore's rich cultural heritage. Step into the heritage zone and you'll find yourself transported to a bygone era, with beautifully recreated Peranakan shophouse facades lining the walkway. These vibrant, intricately detailed buildings celebrate the city's multicultural past, offering a glimpse into the traditions and stories that have shaped Singapore. It's a thoughtful blend of old and new, where history and innovation coexist in perfect harmony. So, if you're planning a trip through Changi, do yourself a favor. Book a long layover, pack your comfiest shoes, and set out to explore. With so many attractions, art installations, and hidden gems waiting to be discovered, this is airport art on a whole new level. Don't just rush to your gate. Take the time to wander, to marvel, and to let your curiosity lead the way. You might just find that your layover becomes the highlight of your journey. At Changi, the airport isn't just a place to pass through, it's a destination in itself, where every moment is an opportunity for discovery, inspiration, and wonder. Next, Amsterdam Schiphol Airport, where you'll find an actual annex of the Rijksmuseum right in the terminal. Genuine Dutch masterpieces free to view offer a cultural escape from travel chaos. Schiphol's art isn't limited to the museum. Over 80 pieces, from light installations to playful sculptures, are scattered throughout. Don't miss the white noise, a shimmering visualization of the airport's invisible digital signals. There's even a library with books in multiple languages, and photography exhibitions turn long walks into gallery strolls. Schiphol respects your curiosity, turning dead time into found time. No waterfall here, but a deep connection to Dutch culture and creativity. It's a perfect blend of art, literature, and travel. Bravo, Amsterdam. Now let's head to San Francisco International Airport, a place where travel and culture blend in a way that's truly unique. Here, the airport isn't just a gateway to the world, it's a destination in itself, and a living, breathing museum. The SFO Museum, founded in 1980, was the first of its kind in the world. It offers a constantly changing array of exhibitions, ranging from whimsical collections of vintage toys to in-depth explorations of the electric guitar's cultural impact. You might stumble upon rare artifacts, historical memorabilia, or even contemporary design pieces, all while waiting for your flight. With more than 20 galleries and over 100 permanent works, art is seamlessly woven into the very fabric of the airport. These galleries aren't tucked away, they're right in the heart of the terminals, transforming ordinary walkways into immersive art experiences. Whether you're a frequent flyer or a first-time visitor, you'll find yourself surrounded by creativity at every turn. One of the airport's crown jewels is the Aviation Museum and Library, a nostalgic escape that transports you back to the golden age of flight. Step inside and you'll find yourself among 1930s-style exhibits, vintage airplane models, and rare aviation artifacts. It's a place where the romance and adventure of early air travel come alive, offering a quiet retreat from the bustle of modern terminals. At SFO, art isn't an afterthought, it's part of the airport's DNA. From large-scale sculptures that greet you in the atrium to intricate mosaics underfoot, every detail is thoughtfully curated. The airport's design itself is a canvas, with art and architecture working hand in hand to create a sense of wonder and delight. The public art program at SFO is renowned for its ambition and scope. Major works from world-famous institutions share space with pieces by local Bay Area artists, ensuring a diverse and ever-evolving collection. Artists are often invited to install their work on site, making the airport a living gallery that's always in motion. The result is an environment that sparks curiosity and invites you to slow down, even if just for a moment. Travelers pause to admire a sculpture, families gather around exhibits, and people snap photos to remember the unexpected beauty they've found. SFO turns the routine of travel into a journey of discovery. If you're passing through, take a moment to check the SFO Museum website before your flight. You can plan your own self-guided art tour, discover current exhibitions, and even find maps highlighting the best art stops in each terminal. It's a chance to turn layovers and waiting time into something memorable and inspiring. At San Francisco International, the city's spirit of innovation and creativity shines through every terminal. Here, travel isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about experiencing art, history, and imagination along the way. Next up, we arrive at Hamad International Airport in Doha, Qatar, a place where art isn't just decoration, but a bold, unforgettable experience that greets you at every turn. Here, creativity is on a monumental scale, and the airport itself feels like a living, breathing gallery. From the moment you step inside, you're surrounded by works that are as ambitious as the country itself, each piece designed to spark curiosity and conversation. The first thing that catches your eye is the iconic Lamp Bear by Urs Fischer, a massive 23-foot-tall yellow teddy bear with a lamp emerging from its head. It sits right in the heart of the main hall, impossible to ignore, and instantly becomes a meeting point, a photo op, and a symbol of the airport's playful spirit. Travelers from around the world pause to snap selfies, marvel at its scale, and wonder about its meaning. But the Lamp Bear is just the beginning. As you wander through the terminal, you'll encounter a parade of monumental sculptures by world-renowned artists. There's Tom Otterness's whimsical bronze figures, inviting children to play and adults to smile. Cause's towering wooden small lie stands with its head bowed, a striking blend of pop culture and fine art. And then, suspended in the air, Jean-Michel Othoniel's glittering Cosmos sculpture catches the light, its glass beads shimmering like a constellation above the bustling crowds. Hamad International isn't just about international names, it's also a showcase for the region's own creative voices. Throughout the airport, you'll find exhibitions of local Middle Eastern art, from contemporary paintings to traditional crafts. Qatari artists are given pride of place, their works telling stories of heritage, innovation, and identity. This blend of global and local talent creates a vibrant dialogue, making the airport a crossroads of cultures and ideas. Here, art isn't tucked away in quiet corners or hidden behind velvet ropes. Instead, it's woven into the very fabric of the airport, dominating every major space and inviting travelers to interact, reflect, and explore. Whether you're rushing to catch a flight or lingering during a layover, you can't help but be drawn into the spectacle. The installations are designed to be touched, photographed, and experienced up close, making every journey through Hamad a personal encounter with creativity. And it's not just the art. The architecture itself is a masterpiece. The terminal's sweeping curves and soaring ceilings are inspired by the natural beauty of Qatar's landscape, echoing the gentle rise and fall of ocean waves and the sculpted forms of desert sand dunes. Light pours in through vast windows, illuminating the art and creating a sense of openness and possibility. Every detail, from the materials to the layout, is designed to evoke wonder and comfort. Hamad International Airport is more than just a transit hub. It's a bold statement of Qatar's cultural ambition. Here, art is not just for show, it's a source of national pride, a spectacle that reflects the country's vision for the future. The installations and architecture together create a sense of wonder, inviting travelers to see Qatar as a place where tradition meets innovation and where creativity is celebrated on a grand scale. For many, a layover here becomes a highlight of their journey. Instead of simply waiting for your next flight, you're invited to explore, relax, and immerse yourself in a world of art and design. Whether you're an art lover or just a curious traveler, Hamad offers a unique experience that transforms the ordinary airport layover into something truly memorable. Welcome to the Palace of Airport Art, where every arrival is a grand entrance and every departure is a journey through creativity and culture. Finally, London Heathrow, specifically the airy, art-filled Terminal 5. The T5 Gallery, a dedicated commercial art space, showcases established and emerging British artists, art you can even buy before your flight. Rotating exhibitions and permanent installations, like Troika's mesmerizing LED sculpture, bring creativity to the terminal. Digital screens display short films and digital art, offering moments of inspiration as you rush to your gate. The architecture itself, column-free and filled with light, is a marvel of British design. Terminal 2's Slipstream by Richard Wilson, a twisting aluminium sculpture, captures the thrill of flight. Heathrow connects you to London's cultural life before you even leave the airport. Understated, focused, and proudly British, Heathrow proves quality trumps quantity. And there you have it, a whirlwind tour of airports turning travel time into art time. From Changi's waterfalls to Schiphol's masterpieces, these terminals prove the journey can be as inspiring as the destination. Have you discovered airport art that stopped you in your tracks? Share your favorites in the comments. Thanks for joining me on this artistic adventure. If you enjoyed it, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel and art journeys. Until next time, happy travels, and keep your eyes open for beauty everywhere.